What would happen if Raiz suddenly vanished? A question that might seem far-fetched, but it's worth considering. After all, even the mightiest institutions can crumble. Raiz has become an integral part of our financial lives, offering a seamless way to manage our money. But what if this convenient platform were to disappear overnight? Let's dive into the potential consequences. Immediate impact: access to funds. The most immediate concern would be access to your funds. Raiz, like any financial institution, holds your money. If it were to suddenly cease operations, accessing your funds could become a complex process. Account freezing: in the event of a sudden closure, your Raiz account might be frozen, preventing you from withdrawing or transferring funds. Liquidation process: a liquidation process would likely be initiated to recover and distribute assets to investors. This could take time, and there is no guarantee of a full recovery. Long-term implications: investment portfolio. Raiz offers a hands-off approach to investing, automating regular contributions and diversifying your portfolio. If it were to cease operations, your investment strategy would be disrupted. Portfolio liquidation: your investments would need to be liquidated, potentially incurring fees and capital gains tax. Loss of diversification: Raiz automated investing strategy provides diversification. If you were to manage your investments manually, maintaining a similar level of diversification could be challenging. Impact on the broader financial landscape. Raiz closure could have broader implications for the financial industry. Investor confidence: the failure of a popular investment platform could erode investor confidence in the fintech sector. Regulatory scrutiny: a high-profile failure might lead to increased regulatory scrutiny of the fintech industry. Mitigating the risk. While the risk of Raiz going out of business is relatively low, it's essential to be prepared. Diversify your investments, don't rely solely on Raiz. Consider other investment options to spread risk. Stay informed, keep an eye on financial news and Raiz updates to be aware of any potential issues. Have an emergency fund. An emergency fund can provide a financial cushion in case of unexpected events. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.